Today we will be playing Scott Pilgrim vs. the World for 2 minutes. Pick your character, or whatever I'm doing. We're playing Scott Pilgrim. This is on the arcade of Xbox. Get it? Don't say the rating at the end of this episode, or my helper will. Wow. Bringing some punches. Oh, he punches the guy in the face and hold all that crap. Look at that money. Look at that money. Look at that money. Scott Pilgrim vs. the World. Scott Pilgrim vs. the World. Scott Pilgrim vs. the World. He has money. Yeah. I am more broken than holding the camera. I just realized this. Okay, I think you're dead. Let's pause this. Let's pause it.
I gotta still play.
Okay, after that dramatic ending, I will rate this game as a 2 out of 5. Bye-bye.